Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. Just in time for Valentine's Day, we have part 5 of our Under the Stars, Dreamy, Romantic, Everything, Love scrapbook album. This page is obviously a 12 by 12 page cut down because that's how we do things here. And I just am obsessed with the little moon up top and the flowers in the bottom. Those little blue flowers, really, I love those. And later in the album, like later in my process, like in the later pages, I guess I should say, I did end up cutting those out from like a journaling card or something and used them. And it made me so happy, so I just wanted to share that with you. But this photo here is of me and my boyfriend when I graduated. That was like 2.5 years ago now. I mean, time is just flying by. I cannot, it's crazy. But I am just adding some washi tape behind this photo to kind of give it a little bit of a frame-ish, if you want to say. But it's kind of stupid, and I should have put the washi tape down first. So you can see me up top, it went really well, just kind of had to slide it in, but the bottom didn't want to play as nice with me. So I did have a little bit of trouble trying to sneak that under there, but eventually we got it. I just ended up ripping up the photo. So sometimes you gotta do that in scrapbooking. It's a whole process, you know? But yeah, so I am excited to be back and posting regularly now. If you didn't hear, we're posting every single day. So on Valentine's Day, we will have another cute little Under the Stars scrapbook album. And I'm gonna let you know a little secret as well. On the day before Valentine's Day, we will be having a 50% off sale on the Under the Stars scrapbook album and all the mini page sets, which come with 3 printable scrapbook pages in a set, or you can buy the whole album, which is 24 whole pages. So that's pretty exciting, and that will be on February 13th on unilymade.com. You can find that link in my bio, and if you sign up for email, you get a free 3-page scrapbook set. It's all fun, so many deals coming, so definitely sign up for email so you don't miss any of that. I cut out this word magic from one of the journaling cards, as I usually do. Like always, a lot of the embellishments come from the scrapbook paper itself. But I thought that was super cute, and I really like how it just kind of came out. The only thing I would have changed is that the A is a little bit far away, but it's kind of because the A had long tail. So I worked with it the best I could. I think this moon up here is so freaking cute because the bunny is kind of like hanging out in the clouds. Like, you know how the cow jumped over the moon? This is the bunny jumped over the moon. So I think that's pretty cute, and I decided that because this album was kind of dreamy, romantic, fairy tale-ish, that the little kind of characters would be cute to add on. As you can see, like there's the bunny. I'm going to add an owl in a little bit. I added owls pretty much throughout the whole scrapbook album. There's unicorns, just things fairy tale. Oh, that's a bird, not an owl. But just super cute and just fairy tale-ish. These silver scrapbook embellishments, like the little bird and the bunny, came from Aunt Nancy. So I love using the stuff she sends me. I just think she has such cool stuff, and I still have a bunch of it from when we used to swap mail, so it's pretty fun. To kind of finish up the page or add more interest to the page, maybe not finish, but to add more interest, I'm adding on some paper flowers. These ones specifically have the stickers on the back, so I really like that because these stickers are good. Some of them aren't usually good, but these ones are. To finish up the page now, I'm adding in some little rhinestones to kind of act as stars in the sky, just to add a little more interest. But yeah, I'm just going to hot glue gun those down, and that kind of completes the page. I hope this scrapbook page process video inspires you to create something, whether it's a scrapbook album, happy mail, a card, anything. I hope it inspires you to get crafty because I think it's a wonderful thing and a great way, positive way to pass some time. And as always, if you are inspired, make sure you tag me whatever you make. I'd love to see it. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, all of those, TikTok at Mimi. And if you end up using one of my scrapbook page digital downloads, make sure you send it in to me at my email, mimileebusiness@gmail.com, and I will feature you on my website. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Make sure you stay tuned for the finishing pictures. Bye, guys.